It is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market just opened up right now. Watching DRYS out of the gate, just curious to see kind of how it would react. But I'm sure I'm going to be taking a look at many other things. So the morning is underway. I will keep you updated. Have an order out there on CTMX at 25.85. Probably seems pretty far off right now, but this one can move very quickly. So we'll see if it can get up there. So I'm just going to leave that fishing order out there. I don't know if I'll capture it live on video, but at least you know that it is out there. Have an order to short 500 at 39.25 here on MYL. We'll see if the price can get up there or not, but that is the current fishing order. That other one, I have canceled it just because it wasn't really doing anything that I wanted to see it do. But again, current fishing order 39.25. Okay, have an order in to buy 15.75 here on FOLD. So we'll see if we can get a breakdown through that $16 mark. But that is another fishing order out there. So right now, just throwing the bobbers, and let's see if I can get any nibbles. All right, looking like potential here on FOLD. Again, looking for 15.75 as the first entry point. I'll let it run a little bit. Getting close. Okay, I'm in. So that's just my initial. Obviously, I'm not going to make a killing, with 500 shares on a sub $20 stock, but it at least gets my feet wet here in the trade. I'm going to also go for some at 15.51 if it wants to pull back there. So let's see if it can pull back here. And do some at 15.37 too. And 15.35, so we'll get a little bit more aggressive down at that area of the chart. So let's see if it wants to just, okay, question answered. I was going to say, let's see if it just wants to give me the $50 or go down, but it wanted to give me the $50. So there's the first quick $50 on the day. And I'm going to leave that 15.37 order out there if it wants to pull back some more. So let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 11.65 on NLNK. Still a bit ways to go if it can get up there, but current fishing order out there. All right, have an order in at 106.75 here on SHLO. Let's see if we can get that filled. Well, it went down as low as 106.80. So I'm going to go ahead and change this now to 106.25. Just double checking everything. Excellent, I got those. And out there for a quick $140, 105.75. So let's see if it can get down there or not. Looking for the break. Okay, it gave me literally 51 shares. So that's fantastic. I'll just go with this. All right, well, let's just do 100 at 105. So this is obviously quite sloppy right now. So 51, I'll just put up there at 106.15. All right, and I got those for, I don't know what was that. Don't know the math on that. Let's see, low there was at 105. So let's go 104.50. Double checking everything. There we go. So let's see if it can pull back there or not. Obviously very fast mover. Pretty bummed out that I only got literally 51 out of the 500 shares. But I knew that going in, so it's not kind of a woe is me situation. It is what it is. These ones that are pretty fast movers can be somewhat difficult to get fills on. So again, my newest order is at 104.50. If it looks like it's going to get down there, I will go ahead and get the video rolling again. All right, have an order out at 12.15. I want to get this alert in the chat room too while I do this. So that coughing in the background is my daughter. She's my wife and 3 other kids are out and about right now, but Dot is sick, so she's going to stay home, and she's hanging out with me in my office. And yeah, if you heard that, that is not a chain smoker or anything like that. That is just my daughter. And yeah, she certainly sounds like she's been smoking for years, but definitely a cold going around. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can get 12:15 filled. I got to pull my pants up. Okay. Thank you. I was just informed I needed to pull my pants up, so apparently they were sagging down a little bit further than what Dot approved. All right, I don't like how it's just hovering right here, so I'm going to go to 12:25. Let's go there. And I guess we'll see now. I would have been filled there originally, so we'll see if my change of maneuver proved to be stupid or proved to be wise. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. And if it looks like it's going to get up there to 12:25, I will get things rolling again. All right, have an order now at that 12:35 mark. So let's see if I can finally get filled here or not. All right, so I'm in for my initial 500 shares. Again, nothing huge is going to be made here given it's a sub $15 stock. Let's go up to 12.50 for another 500. Or if it wants to give me the quick $50, then so be it. But again, I have an order at 12.50 to build bigger. You know, 12.55 and 12.60 up there. Get a little bit more aggressive if it can get up in that range of the chart. So if this thing was gonna, flush back downwards, I was wanting to see 12.25 already. So now what I'm gonna do is just get out here at 12.30 if possible, and I'll just kind of restart over again. I mean, I'm still fine at 12.35 point, but it's not really acting the way I would want to see it act in my little perfect world here. And wow, things have just crept to a slow crawl here. So out of there for the $25, and yeah, I'm happy with that. I could care less at this point if it dropped down. Well, there's 12.25, so I would have gotten my 50, but just slowed down way too much. Let's see what else is out there. All right, looking for a fill here at 12.65 on LNKA. We'll see if we can get up there or not. I never want to call anything easy money or a guaranteed trade, but I feel very confident in putting a quick $25 bill in my pocket. But that's right, Dot, in my pocket. Yeah. Oh, kids, they crack me up. Yeah, I don't think the mic's picking that up, but now she's talking about pockets over there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. All right, I'm going to wrap things up here at 10:45 a.m. Eastern time, so not quite an hour and a half into the day, but I think I'm happy with the morning given I was on sick kid babysitting duty while trading, so I'll take the $230-ish dollars. I'm not quite sure what it'll be after commissions and such are factored in, but yeah, I'm happy with that given the context of the situation. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, maybe you remember me mentioning I got to type this up to the chat room. If you would like to join the chat room, just go to claytrader.com. That is called the Inner Circle, and the price is $99 per year, not per month, per year. So it's more than fair. And as I always say, I am extremely confident that over the time span of 12 months, you will get at least $99 worth of value. If you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, again, claytrader.com, and I offer many video training courses on that. So as always, thank you for watching, and the quickest, easiest way to let me know, hey Clay, I enjoy these videos, please keep making them. Please click that like button and then subscribe to the channel. So I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.